Hi everyone, this is Esther from 37 Chocolates, and today is a special video. Let me show you, I think I can still show you my face. Okay, today is a very special day because I am going to unbox the limited chocolate box from Cacao Review. So for those who don't know, Cacao Review is a company that is based in Utah. And last year they issued a box with limited edition chocolates. I think they were like 200, I think, boxes. And this year they did it again, but bigger, not bigger, but more special. And they have only 150 boxes like this. And I asked my husband to give me one of these boxes for my birthday, and it came yesterday. So if you guys are waiting for your box, I would recommend skipping this video or waiting for the unboxing, but I really could not wait to open it, and I wanted to share the experience with you. So if you're ready, I'm going to open this really nice box. All right, so here's the box, and it's really hard to tell, but this is a very, I love the touch on this, of the paper here. And you open it this way and just look at this, you guys. It is stunning. And what you have here is little card. I think this is box number 11. So this is telling you that this is a very limited edition collection by Cacao Review. And I love all the detail that this company has put together. Look at this gorgeous golden tissue paper and everything. This is absolutely stunning. Golden black. And all I did yesterday was I opened a pin, which I think is downstairs, but I'll show that to you later. But look at this. So we have this here. Another bar. Another bar. Looks like the box is really heavy. There's a lot more than you would think. I can't tell you how nicely this is wrapped. The paper is gorgeous. Excuse me. Whew, excuse me. So what do we have? Little like a review of everything that's inside. And there seems to be so much in here. And as I said, there is a pin that says, I know how to pronounce cacao. Oh, that's nice. This is a very nice photo of a cacao pod that was at the bottom. Here's some more. So, okay, this is the chocolate that Cacao Review has made themselves. They're not maker. They sell the chocolate in Utah and online at cacaoreview.com. Okay, I have lots of this first here. I have the box is really heavy. I have no idea what's in it. What else do we have? And I think that's it. Yeah, the box is like, this is so pretty. This is not gonna go to the recycling. All right, so okay, so what should I open first? So these are bars. I have to say that this is making me very curious. So I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful paper is. Like, I don't even feel like opening it. Whoever wrapped it, which might be Emily, she really knows how to wrap a box, and I can't imagine having done that 150 times. Oh, what's that? I am Naive. Okay, so this is from Naive, which is a company, chocolate maker based in Lithuania. What is that? Chocolate in flakes. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Chocolate in flakes. Oh, I love it. Naive. This is so pretty. I love the way, like, how clever. Chocolate in flakes. It sounds like so dreamy. I mean, look at this. So what does it say? Okay, proportion. Okay, so this is, if you want to bake with it, you can bake with it, make hot chocolate with it. So that's one thing. I think this is really nice. Okay, so that's one. I'm curious about what this is. Oh, this wrapping is so special. Okay, what is this? I wonder if this is, oh, this is more naive. It's so funny because I've been really drawn to the special shape of the products, and both were from Naive. So Rugoso is okay. So this is really a limited edition chocolate. Rugoso special. Rugoso is a Nicaraguan cacao. I love the branding on this. I love the black and white. I love how that fits with like the with this color theme. So I'm gonna look. I'm not gonna open everything. I'm gonna save some, but like let's look at what's inside. Omnum. So Omnum is a Icelandic maker. Okay, what do we have? Okay, rye and caraway chocolate is one of these wrappers. And so you do have a nice sized little booklet. Marou from Vietnam. Cucaribe. Cucaribe cacao is a pretty, it's a really solid origin from Dominican Republic. I find that this is a personal opinion, but like I know what my favorite Cucaribe is from Encuentro in France. I find that the chocolate that's made with it is pretty, like it doesn't have very strong flavor notes. It's the way it evolves on the palate is very like it doesn't peak. It's not my, like it's a solid origin, but I don't think it's my favorite origin. So I'm curious to know what they did. Yeah, and Ritual is there. Oh my gosh, there's just so much. And I wish I could show you the pin that's downstairs. It's black gold, and I really love the work that these guys have done. I'm gonna save some more, but I wanted you to see the attention of detail to this box, which I think is stellar. And I think this retails for a little over $100, and you having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, a card, the hot chocolate mix, and a pin for just a little over $100. And the unboxing experience really is special. I think they've done a really nice job, and I hope this video helped you determine whether this is for you.